Hello children. So in the earlier videos, I told you about the changing of sentences from direct to indirect. Some rules of different tenses I told you. So in the same series, we will cover another tenses. And today I start with present perfect continuous. Okay. So in the introductory part, I told you when we come across such sentences where we have for present perfect continuous, so that sentence we convert into past perfect continuous. Okay, means when we have these helping verbs in inverted commas, and when we are to convert into entire speech, so these will be changed into this one had been first form ing here. But how it is done, I'll tell you in this way. See, we take an example to prove it. She said to her mother, I have been living here for 15 days. Okay, so with have been first form ing, it is clear that this sentence belongs to present perfect continuous. But we have to change into indirect speech. So now we do it. Said to will become told. She told her mother. She told her mother that. Okay, why that? Because it is simple sentence. So with the reporting verb, when we connect the reported speech where we have only simple sentence, affirmative sentence, assertive sentence, so there we use that. Okay. So she told her mother that. Now I, first person pronoun, we change according to subject, that she. Had have we become had, that she had been. Okay, living. Now here it will become there. There for 15 days. Okay, quite easy it is. Uh, Now we'll take one example of interrogative sentence. Uh, how do we convert into inter? Listen, they said to the officer. She said to the officer, like, for how long have you been facing this problem? Okay, such kind of sentences also you can face. So we convert it they, because it is interrogative. So we change that to into ask. They ask the officer. They ask the officer. Now, because it is interrogative, okay, and we should not feel that we have WH word here also. So this phrase, it will be used as connector in place of if, whether, that. So they ask the officer for how long. Clear? After that, we should see this So noun, this is second person noun and it will change according to this object. Okay, so how long he, it may be she also, officer, how long she or he had been facing. In place of this problem, we use that problem. Clear? So this is about present perfect continuous. Now, see, we have covered all the tenses of present. Like we have done simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous also. And you have been elaborately told how do we convert into indirect speech. But now we have different features also. We have different rules also. We have different sentences also. And when you face them, so how do we convert them? See, you were told that simple present will change into simple past. Clear? Simple present like first form when you have, you convert into second form. When you have ism you change into was were. This is the rule. But what happens when you have simple past in interrogative form? When you have past continuous in that direct speech. So how do we convert? Listen. She said to me, I went to school. Yes, madam. See, you were told as per the rules that simple present will change into simple past. But we have already here simple past. So in which tense now it should be changed? Listen, said to will be changed into told, she told me. But when you have this sentence, like when you have this type of sentence in simple past, that's the simple past will change into past perfect, means had third. So I will change according to first person means this subject. She told me that she, now second form will convert into, it will be converted into had third form, that he had gone to school yesterday, the previous day. Clear? In the same way, suppose we have negative, we have some negative sentences in this format. So how do we change? They said to me, you did not do it. You did not do it. You were told when you have do not, does not, you change into did not. But did not is there already in this direct form, reported speech. So same will be applicable here. Like simple past we converted into past perfect. Now this simple past negative will be into past perfect had not heard. They said to will be told. They told me that. Now you second person pronoun it will change according to object. I, I, and then had not. I had not, and third person. I had not done. Clear? Now suppose we have the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences of simple past into direct speech. So how do we convert? one more example of that one also. Like she said to her father, when did you help me? When did you help me? Interrogative form it is. So she said to will be changed into asked. She asked her father because it is a question. Asked we have used here. She asked her father. Now WS family will be used because only helping verb is not there. We will do one example of only helping verb also. She asked her father when. Now did will remove it. Okay. It is simple past which convert into past perfect. She said to her father, she asked her father when you will be converted according to this object. Okay. When he, now simple past perfect, when he had helped. Now me, it is first person singular. It will be according to this one, subject. Okay. So we use here. Okay. See, how do we find it like I, my, me, she, her, her. Okay, we are converting this object, so it will be like this. You can make this kind of table and it will be quite easy to. For that, you have to be very much clear about personal pronouns. Next, we take one example of simple interrogative like they said to us, did you complete your activity? Did you complete your activity? So it is yes no question. So only helping one is there. Because when we have WS family, we use that WS family to combine reporting verb and reported speech, but we have here only helping verb. So they are us. So we use E for that. Because only helping one is there. But this is simple past, so we have to convert into which way? Past perfect. If now first we see this one now. You belong to, we are here. This word, only this word, it comes in the category of second person and it will change according to object. So if we had completed, okay, like you, your, we are, okay, are. Okay. So in this way, we convert the sentences of simple past. Like by changing from direct to indirect, simple past will be converted into past perfect. Clear? So now we'll do another rule, and it is related to past continuous. See, you were told in the beginning that the sentences of present continuous, these will be changed into past continuous, into indirect speech. But what will happen when this past continuous, it will be there in inverted commas? So how do we convert them? Very simple it is. It will be converted into past perfect continuous. Clear? Means when you come across sentences with was verb ing, so simply you have to convert them into had been first form. This kind of thing. Okay, how it is done? So take any sentence like she said to the officer, I was speaking in English yesterday. Okay, so this sentence, when you have to convert into indirect speech, so how do we do it? She told. She told the officer. Okay. Again, I need not tell you. Told. Very it is simple sentence. When it is there in the reported speech, we use in reporting verb said to, convert said to into told. She told the officer that. Okay. Now I first person pronoun will change according to the speaker means subject. Okay. That she. Now was verb. Very important. Was verb will change into had been. That she had been speaking in English. Okay. Yesterday, the previous. Okay. Means the rules, all the rules of changing simple sentences into indirect speech or interrogative sentences into indirect speech, these will remain the same. Only you should be aware about these helping rules. Okay. Means, see, you should not feel that whatever change you have been told, these are for granted. There are some situations where you will be, quite surprised. What has this happened? So, what those surprises will be, or what kind of surprises are these? You will be intimated about these later. Okay. So, keep watching and enrich your knowledge. Thank you.